Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a really simple SSL plugin. As you can see, my website it's showing right now is not secure. As you can see here, your connection to this site is not secure, so we are going to fix it. Come to plugin, click add new, look for really simple SSL, tap enter. This is the plugin. You got 5 million plus download. You got 6,826 review with 5 star, as you can see. Last update was 3 weeks ago. It's compatible with your version of WordPress. You click install now. Now click activate. As you can see, it's activate. Now click here, go activate SSL. You click. As you can see here, this lock is displayed now before my website URL. Now it's saying connection is secure, as you can see here. I'm gonna log on my website. You see, so actually everything's okay. SSL is now activate. Check your website is secure by reading this article. You can read it. So this is how you install a really simple SSL plugin on a WordPress website. And I hope this video will help someone who is in need. It's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.